Where'd they go? See if I can get on the other side so we can hear the speakers a lot better. Once again, that's a pretty beautiful church. Yeah, that's a weird place to put the speakers on the chimney and not up there. I would put them right up there. Now, I saw on Google Maps, or not really on Google Maps, but it's an older version. There's this church, but on the top, there's a steeple with a bell in it. Alright. Oh wow. That actually sounds beautiful. Listen to that echo. That is so beautiful. With that echo. Oh, it stopped. Hopefully we'll hear it again. Yeah, once again, it's on that chimney. I'll show you where it is. Yeah, I guess it really stopped. I didn't hear Sacred Heart's bells go off. Yeah, I guess that's it. There's one speaker over there. Yeah, if only I can ask if I can ring the bell every Sunday morning. Well, there you guys go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.